Hello guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how do you add certificates to your LinkedIn profile. So first thing first, log into your LinkedIn account. So once you've logged in, go to your profile, hit on the profile icon, view profile. So once you get to your profile, what you can do is there's either two ways. One is if you scroll down, you should see an activity tab here, activity. So what you have to do is click on this plus button here, add button. Or what you can do, if you go to add profile section, click on add profile section, and under core, if you hit on core, you'll see there's an option called add position. So that's the same as that add experience. So you can hit on that, click on it. So here, so all you have to do is just fill in this, your job title, what type of employment it is, the company name, the location, and tick this box if you're still working on this role and your dates, everything. So fill in all those information, descriptions about your job description and all those things. And if anything is relevant, you can just add it under skills or media or any certification or any documents you want to add it. You can go for add media. So once you have done all those, what you have to do is just hit on save and boom, there you go. That's how you add experience to your profile. Hope this video is helpful and I will see you guys in another video soon.